socks. How do we do it? Start by taking your socks, lining them up next to each other like that. Now all you're going to do is turn one of the socks inside out while you're pushing both socks inside. So I got one sock here, but I'm pinching the other two, and I start folding and I push it inside until it's a nice little ball. Like that. Pants. I'm going to start by taking the pants and smoothing them out nice and flat like that. Now I'm going to take them and fold them in half so I can see the back pockets like that. After that, I'm going to fold them in half one more time, and then you can either put it away like that, or in your drawer you might fold it in half one more time. So it's in half, in half, in half. Shirts can be a little trickier. Shirts we're going to try to fold, instead of to the front, we're going to try to fold them to the back. Okay? So watch. Shirt on its back, folding it over, lining it up like that. The reason we do that is so that we can see what shirt it is, because we want to see what's on the front here. After that, we're going to take the arms. We'll put them in nice so they follow that edge. See that? And then we're going to fold it one more time. So then we can always see what shirt it is. Okay, I'll do that one more time. Okay, so we're going to take the shirt, we'll flip it over so it's on its back. We're going to fold it completely in half, lining it up nice, smoothing things out. Then we're going to fold that in, bring that along the edge, and fold it in half. Making sure things are nice and smooth, because the smoother we put it away, the better it's going to look when we